Today 50 question of geography and history. Okay. What was the name of the symbolic division of Europe?
Um, Berlin Wall?
No.
Iron Curtain.
Yes. Right. Who was the first emperor of the Roman Empire?
Augustus Caesar.
Right. Which civilization built the ancient city of Machu Picchu?
That's what. Aztec?
No.
Inca.
Right. What language was the primary spoken language of the Roman Empire?
Latin.
Yes. Who was the famous Carthaginian general who crossed the Alps with elephants?
Hannibal?
Which Byzantine emperor reconquered Rome?
Justinian the First.
Yes. In what year did the French Revolution begin?
1789.
Which island was Napoleon Bonaparte exiled to after his final defeat at Waterloo?
Saint Helena?
Yes. What was the name of the first successful English settlement in North America founded in 1607?
Jamestown.
Yes. What was the capital city of Poland?
Warsaw.
Which country is the largest in Africa?
Algeria.
Yes. What is the longest river in the world?
Nile.
Yes, right. Bavaria is the region of which country?
Germany.
Right. What is the tallest mountain on earth?
Mount Everest.
Which desert is the longest hot desert in the world?
Sahara.
Yes. In which European city would you find the Colosseum?
Rome.
What is the smallest country in the world by land area?
Vatican City.
Which river flows through the city of Paris?
Which river?
Which river flows through the city of Paris?
Seine.
Yes. What country borders China and Russia?
Mongolia.
Yes, right. Which US state has the longest coastline?
Alaska.
Which mountain range separate Europe from Asia?
The Ural Mountains.
Yes. What is the capital of Brazil?
Brasilia.
Right. Which country has the most time zones?
France.
Yes. In which ocean is the island nation of Madagascar located?
Indian Ocean.
Right. Which city is famous for its network of canals and is located in the Italy? In
Venice.
Italy. Yes. What city has the most Gujarati speaker?
Can you repeat the question again?
What city has the most Gujarati speaker?
Ahmedabad.
Yes. Which US state is the largest area by area?
Which US state is largest
Which
by
US
area?
state is the largest by area?
Alaska.
Yes. What is the highest waterfall in the world?
Angel Falls.
Okay. Which Egyptian queen was the last active ruler of the Ptolemaic kingdom?
Cleopatra.
Right. In what present day country did the ancient civilization of Mesopotamia begin?
Ancient what?
Ancient civilization of Mesopotamia begin?
Iraq.
Yes, right. In what city was the Renaissance begin?
Florence.
Right. Which Italian explorer traveled along the Silk Road to China and served in the court of Kublai Khan?
Marco Polo.
Yes, right. What was the code name for the Allied invasion of Normandy?
Operation Overlord.
Right. Which ancient wonder of the world was located in the city of Babylon?
Hanging Gardens.
Yes. Which Portuguese explorer was the first European to reach India by sea in 1498?
Vasco da Gama.
Yes.
If you want more quizzes video like this, subscribe Histography.
Who was crowned the first Holy Emperor in 800 AD?
Charlemagne.
Charming. Right. In what city was the... Now tell the historical figure.
Beethoven.
Right. Who was the philosopher sentenced to death by drinking hemlock in Athens?
Socrates.
Right. What year was the Magna Carta signed?
1215.
Right. Who unified China and began the construction of the Great Wall of China?
Qin Shi Huang.
Right. Which historical figure is this?
Julius Caesar.
Yes, right. Which African country is the most populous?
Nigeria.
Right. What is the capital city of Portugal?
Lisbon.
Yes. Which body of water is east of India?
What body of water east of India? Arabian Sea.
No.
East of India. Bay of Bengal.
Yes, right. What is the largest landlocked country in Africa?
Chad.
Yes, right. What country outline is this?
Egypt.
Yes, right. And what is the capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
Right. Which sea separates Europe from Africa?
Mediterranean Sea.
Yes.